What's up, folks? Welcome back to another quick tutorial. I'm going to show you how to hook up your VCR to your OBS. Very simple and easy. What you need to do is get an AV to HDMI out. I'll have the link for this in the description. But pretty much you put your AV inputs into this device here, and it's an output into HDMI. Now it is powered by a micro USB, so you have to make sure this is plugged into a power source. Now that HB to HDMI goes into a capture card. I'll have a link for this as well. All this is the Elgato Cam Link. It's a HDMI in to the computer OBS. So you have the AV from the VCR to the AV to HDMI to the capture card to your computer or laptop. And I have Ace Ventura in. I'll hit play. I already have the scene set up here. This is a capture card. Now, when you hit play, you aren't going to hear any sound, although you put the capture card in the audio and it'll still have the audio going because you have it connected, but you don't have an output to hear it. So what you're going to have to do is go to Edit, Advanced Audio Properties, and you're going to have to turn the monitor and output instead of just off. And then you could hear everything. And then if you want to start recording, you just hit record and it'll record everything off of your VCR to a MP4 or whatever format you specify movie. And that's a really simple way to put a VCR to OBS.